guys, let me stop playing. All jokes aside, guys, be safe going on with this pandemic. Make sure you're out of all harm's way. Be safe as possible. Take precautionary measures, but live your life. But yo, guys, welcome to another episode of Basics by Bear, where we talk about affordable fashion, footwear, and lifestyle choices. In today's episode, we have a nice unboxing for you guys. So let's get right into it. All right. Got the typical Nike box. You know how that go. Open this up. Now, I know I'm a little late on the unboxing. Shipping is all messed up due to circumstances, of course. But we have the Jordan 6s DMP. I know I might be kind of washed out because of the shine, but gold is definitely clean on the box. Here we have Air Jordan 6 Retro DMP. Color is black and metallic gold in a size 12 with a price of $200 retail. Might be kind of washed out, but yeah, so normal prices now, about $215 after tax and shipping. But let's get right into it, guys. All right, open this up, and we have these gems right here. Let's get the other one out just to have it on the table. The Air Jordan 6 DMP. If you didn't already know, I'm somebody that loves gold, i.e. chains, necklace, rings. Not flexing, just saying, you feel me? Love gold, that's always been my thing. So the fact that this one has an actual, like, this is a metal hang tag, like not the plastic ones that's on the 3s and 5s. This is a metal gold hang tag, which is definitely a dope asset to have on the shoe. It's in an all black suede or like Durabuck style material, same as most 6s that come out these days. It features a gold Jumpman here. It has a black Jumpman in the rear with 23 under it. Has a gold lip on the back on the pull tab here, as well as the typical Jordan lace lock, featuring a black lace lock and the gold Jumpman on it. Of course, don't forget your icy bottoms. Jordan's 6s are infamous for these types of bottoms. I love them. This is actually my first pair of 6s, guys. Like, I never had one before. Back when 6s first started retroing, I was young, so I didn't really have the funds to really purchase sneakers that I liked or that I wanted. I kind of saw my friends and peers' feet in school and knew one day I would have these kicks. The original sneaker we're showing here came out in 2006. So it's a part of a pack called the DMP, or Defining Moments pack, by Jordan. And it came with this shoe alongside a Jordan 11 with the Concord colorway, but instead of the Concord Jumpman, it was a gold Jumpman to signify Jordan's defining moments. So the pack was $500 back then. I didn't have it. I'm not gonna be honest with you, so I couldn't afford that back then. So when I found out they were retroing this sneaker again, it was a no-brainer. I had to have it. Like, I liked it so much, doubled up. So as you can see, not one DMP, two DMPs. Like, this is a shoe I really wanted my whole life. I don't know if I wanna keep this second pair. Maybe a subscriber of mine wants this pair, couldn't get it when it came out. If so, comment below and hit my DM on my social media pages that I have listed below in the description, and we can work something out. You never know. But right now, I have both of these. Right now, one to rock, one to stock, like I said. So I love this sneaker. My first pair of 6s. I know icy bottoms tend to yellow over time. Luckily, I don't wear my kicks as often or as much as most people would. So I don't really have to worry about the yellowing happening too fast. But I do use Rejuvenator Sole Shield, by the way. Not a plug, I'm not sponsored, but I like their products, and I feel like if you want to do something, guys, definitely hit my line. I use their products a lot, from my Yeezys to my Nikes to Jordans, but definitely a good shoe overall. I love it. I plan on getting some good wear out of it once all this crisis stuff is over and we can actually go back outside, you know, and it's a good shoe for the summer. Go crazy. It's not a white shoe that most people wear in the summer, but it's a nice black shoe. And with the gold accents, man, you can't go wrong with this sneaker. So if you couldn't get them, I say hit StockX, get them. You won't be mad at the quality or style of the sneaker. It'll go crazy with your fits, I promise. You know what I'm saying? If it's too expensive for some guys, I understand with the next drops from other releases. You never know, they may restock. But as of now, it's definitely a good colorway. I'm glad to have it in my collection, especially as my first 6. This is a very, very good pickup to have and staple in my collection. Now on to the on foot where you get to see these kicks on body. I hope you guys truly enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And stay tuned for more fire content. Click that bell so you won't miss out anything that's going on. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.